Welcome. If you've ever been curious about how to find all your group posts and comment history on your page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially after the recent update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step so you can quickly access and review everything you've shared in groups under your page's identity. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. Open the Facebook app as you normally would. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the page you manage. This way, you'll be acting as your page, not your personal profile. Once you're on your page, look for the small arrow or menu icon in that same top right area. It might say Account or show as a simple menu. From here, scroll until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it to open the next set of options. Now, you'll see something called Activity Log. Go ahead and select it. The activity log is like the master record of everything your page has done. Posts, comments, reactions, and even shares. This is where the magic happens. Inside the activity log, pay attention to the menu on the left or at the top, depending on your layout. Here, you'll find an option named Groups, Posts, and Comments. Click on that. Instantly, you'll see a complete list of all the posts you've made and comments you've left as your page inside any Facebook group. From here, you can scroll through and review your group activity history. This is super useful for keeping track of your engagement, double-checking what you've shared, or maybe cleaning up posts and comments if you wish. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can now find and manage all your group posts and comments under your page perfectly, even with Facebook's most recent update. Give these steps a try and stay on top of your group activity with ease. Thanks for watching.